Mail call, take one. How you guys doing today? Hey, it's Geojerry with Geojerry's Adventures here, and today I've got myself some mail. But I'm not going to go outside and get it today. Ankle's still a little sore, but it's okay, because guess what? The mail's going to come to me right about now. Here it is. Got my mail. I wonder who it's from. I've been waiting for this for quite a while. Take a look inside and see what we got. All the way from Michigan. Who do I know lives in Michigan? I don't know. Let's find out. Oh, it's from my buddy Neil Moore. That's right. Neil, he lives over in Michigan. A note from Neil Moore. Cache Tales. You ever check out his channel? You should check it out on YouTube. Neil Moore's Cache Tales. Inside our little note card is a cool looking button. Look at that cool thing. Looks just like this right there. There it is. And looking just like that is a amazing path tag. Let's see if I can take this path tag right out of this envelope. Hang on. And there it is. The Neil Moore path tag. I don't know if that works. Does that work and go like this? Or goes like that? Anyway, the Neil Moore path tag. Neil, it looks just like you. Cool. Hey. Anyway, just want to say thank you so much, Neil, for the path tag and the pin. And thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe. There we go. Subscribe and like. And with that, I'll see you later.